Today we're going to be talking about ATER Stock and why it could be going higher this week. Let's get into the video. Hi everyone, my name is Zach and welcome back to Finance Bro. Before we get into the video, I'd like to ask you guys to please leave a comment of your favorite stock of the moment, why it's your favorite stock of the moment, and also consider leaving a like and subscribe as it really helps with the growth of the algorithm. And if you guys want to see what we're buying and what we're selling in real time with explanations, go ahead and get signed up with Public with the first link in the description. It is a social investing app. You can see our public stock portfolio as well as many other famous people. With all that out of the way, let's get straight into our stock for today, which is going to be ATER. So here we are on Public, and we can see that ATER or Aterian is up 22% on the day, basically $1.37 on the day, up to $7.40. Now we're going to be going over technical analysis, fundamental analysis, as well as 5 things to know about the stock in general. So if that sounds good to you, stay around till the end of the video. But Public actually does give us a description of why it is up today. So let's go over this. Aterian is up. Shares are trading higher on continued strength from yesterday. The company recently announced the launch of its shareholder perks program. Traders on social media have also circulated the stock as a potential short squeeze play. So yeah, this is very interesting. We are going to be going over that shareholder perks program as well as, you know, the short squeeze in a second. But first, let's check the social activity around ATER. So we can see that ATER was actually the 7th most active stock on StockTwits, as well as the 8th most watched stock in the last 24 hours. So overall, the social activity around ATER is extremely good. Okay, so here we are on investorplace.com. We have a bit of an article for you guys today. So let's go over this. We can see that this is going to be going over 5 things you need to know about short squeeze target Aterian as shares fly. So let's get straight into this. Aterian stock is soaring higher on Monday. Obviously, this is from yesterday or 2 days ago, after the company announced a new benefits program for shareholders. So this new shareholder perks program has the company offering discounts on its websites as well as on Amazon. It covers products from the company's brands with weekly discounts that only shareholders have access to. Now, obviously, they have this program to kind of help out their shareholders, but it's also to create more revenue for themselves. So overall, it's good for shareholders because they get some perks as well as, increasing the stock's value by putting more money in their pockets. There's this quote from their co-founder and CEO. Shareholders who join the perks program will receive weekly emails starting this Friday with exciting discounts they can redeem on our various channels. We want to thank our shareholders who support us daily. So that'll be happening Friday, possible catalyst for tomorrow. All right, so Aterian has a perks program. So what? Let's take a look into why this matters to shareholders below. So we are going to get kind of synopsis around this and from this author. So let's go over it. Aterian is a consumer products platform that deals with multiple other companies. Among them are Shopify, Walmart, and Amazon. So 3 of the biggest, commerce brands, some e-commerce, some other commerce, in the United States, let alone world with Shopify. They have 3 extremely good partnerships here. But yeah, it also offers its own collection of products for customers to purchase through these stores via its 14 brands. So it has a lot of brands, everything. We're going to be going over a fundamental overview of kind of what they do in a second. But I just want to, note that they are able to sell their products in a lot of ways, and they're also, partners. Well, maybe not partners, but they have deals with Shopify, Amazon, and Walmart. These brands cover home and kitchen appliances, health and wellness, beauty, and consumer electronics categories. So pretty wide range right there, but a lot of revenue to be made. That means shareholders in ATER Stock can find deals for a wide variety of products thanks to their stake in the company. So news of the shareholder perk program is subjecting ATER Stock to heavy trading today, and this is obviously Monday, so 37 million shares were traded. That's quite the jump from its daily average trading volume of just 2.1 million shares. So overall, kind of what I took from this is that they have, those good deals with Shopify, Walmart, and Amazon, and they have a lot of different things that shareholders can actually benefit from in their own lives, as well as helping ATER to actually get more revenue total. Okay, now we can go over a bit of a fundamental overview, financial overview of ATER stock. So first off, we can see that their market cap is only $285 million. I know what you're saying, that is a massive amount of money, Zach. Well, in the whole stocks game, for comparison, Apple is at about like 2.45 trillion or some crazy number like that. So it's pretty easy to move a market cap of 285 million with a little bit of a retail investor interest. Now, I'm never going to tell you what to buy or sell, so make sure you guys don't get that messed up. But yeah, I mean, you can see here that their performance outlook is good in the short term and midterm, according to Yahoo Finance. Who knows if that is actually gonna happen, but we can also check here that their revenue has been going up considerably over the past 4 years. 2017 it was at 36 million, 2020 at 185. Over the past 3 quarters they have increased from 41 all the way up to 68 million in revenue, so overall good. And then also here for a recommendation, Yahoo Finance has it as a 1.8, which is between a buy and a strong buy. And then there are 5 analyst price targets on the stock between $5.50 below its current price, and then also $36, which would present like a 6x from here. The average sitting at about $14.50, which would be a 2x from these current levels. Now we can check out the financials. Obviously, we just kind of looked at the income statement, but we can see here that we went from 41 million, 48 to 68. We can see here cost of revenue went up a considerable amount, but so did total revenue. So the gross profit didn't go up as much as its total revenue, but overall they're probably trying to grow their revenue a lot right now, and they'll worry about the cost of revenue later. We can check here on the balance sheet. They do have 359 in total million in total assets, only 183 million in total liabilities, but they do have about 82 million in debt, but they did pay off about 50 million in debt. So that's what I like to see. I don't like to see too much debt, but some amount of debt is necessary to grow a business. Overall, the fundamentals of this is pretty good, and this could be a stock that could run pretty easily. Okay, and now we can go over a little bit of technical analysis on this stock. So obviously we're in a pretty massive downtrend, all the way up at $48 in February of 2021, and we have sold all the way off to, at one point we were at about $3. Well, I think we just hit a kind of turning point, and maybe I found a bottom here at the $3 level. Now we did have resistance here at $8.57, but we didn't quite stay above this resistance, so this is going to be our resistance still, is going to be that $8.30 level right here. If we can get above that tomorrow, we could try to test this $10 resistance that we couldn't get above before either, and then possibly make it all the way up to $12. So first resistance we need to break is going to be that $8.30 level. Then we'll be testing a $10 level. I'm not saying we're going to get above that, but that would be another 20% in gains. But yeah, that is pretty much going to be it for today. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys did enjoy the video, then go ahead and leave a like and subscribe. Also comment your favorite stock of the moment. It really helps with the growth of the channel. But yeah, my name is Zach, and I hope to see you in the next video.